Do y'all have sweet tea?
Huh?
Do you have sweet tea? It's gonna be shower routine time. Time to chill for the night. Okay. First thing I do, put my hair up so I can wash my face. We'll have a chill little night tonight. Watch movies, eat snacks. Already had me some dinner earlier. I'm gonna use the rest of my CeraVe cleanser and make sure my hands are washed. Some of my face, and I'm gonna wash it while I'm in the shower. I just watch some Halloween movie stuff that I probably haven't even seen before, honestly. I'm gonna go run my water. I did get something from TikTok shop that I'm gonna show you guys later. But for right now, I'm not gonna use that tonight because I'm gonna do a detailed skin care routine and everything still on my channel. But I'm just gonna put this on tonight because I haven't washed my face today. I just put water on it earlier. But for me, gotta wash it. And I need to take these braids out. That's what I'm gonna do tonight. I should have taken it out last night, but I knew I had to go somewhere today. So I didn't take my braids out. So I'm gonna take them out and I might wash my hair tomorrow. So I'll do that for the video. So stitch pajamas. And hop in the shower and I'll be right back out real soon. Unboxing a couple of more TikTok shop purchases that I just recently bought. This is a game called Drawing While Intoxicated. So basically, whatever it says on the card, you have to draw on the little whiteboard right here. And they come with markers and with erasers, a little timer, and cards. It says 300 cards in here. So it's going to be a nice game to play, whether you having a regular little party or if you are having a Halloween sleepover or game night. So one of the games right there. I don't show my address either. Right, another game. This one is called Tapple. You're going to have to put on your thinking caps for this game, guys. So basically, you're going to have a card, pick a category, and what they show on the box is pizza toppings. So if you hit the letter N, you have to think of a topping that starts with the letter N once you hit the letter. So I don't know, probably nachos. What else would it be? And this is how you're going to get out the game with this. Whoever can't name anything with it, they're going to sit out. You're going to go clockwise playing this game. So whichever person can't come up with the name, they'll have to sit out. And then the other 2 or 3, however many people will be there, will still have to go until somebody can't name it. Then that will determine the winner of that category. And you just keep on till I guess you're done. I picked up a tripod from Amazon. I know I needed something to record my ring light. I'm going to go ahead and purchase another ring light as well. Yeah. Heavy duty tape. Now I know this one good because it's heavy. I'm going to show you guys on the video too where I got everything. So the good thing about this one, you can either hold this up and up and down, or you could either hold it sideways. And this feels really sturdy. Tripod looks like. And this can only hold a phone. It's not going to be able to hold a tablet or anything. Only a cell phone. See how I'm not gonna want to hold this. This feels heavy. I should have got one that's lighter, but this is gonna be a good one. Oh, it gets really long. Look at that. So for you to do that, you have to undo these right here. The link in the picture on the side, just because you guys might want this one. I really like it so far, and I know it's gonna be really good because personally, I'm gonna have to buy me another ring light. So I was gonna buy a light to go on the top of my phone just because I use my phone to record. So I am gonna just get another light as well, just in case, because toting a ring light everywhere is not efficient. So I would just probably tote this tripod and a mini light to go on top. But I do have other sources now for me to record, like my glasses with the camera on there. So you're just gonna see different footage and different quality from different things when I post. And that's it. I'll let you guys know in further videos how this performs. But for right now, because I'm not using it today, so I won't really know till I probably use it for real. I need to put it together first. I am gonna put you guys on to some fall scents that I think you guys will like. So is this Fenty Beauty? These are good fall scents. Also the cream. And it comes with this spoolie. The cream smells better than the perfume to me. The scent will remind you of something spiced, cinnamon-like. What else? Let me smell it again. It's more spicy. So I will use this around this time of the year, fall. And you can honestly mix this with another scent. Now, I don't know what other scent this would smell good with, but I would say something sweet. I would use this with something sweet. If you layer this with Killian's Love Don't Be Shy, which is Rihanna's favorite scent, one of her favorite scents, I think this will smell really good. And I know that scent kind of smell like marshmallows. It smells really sweet. So layering this with something sweet will make this perfume pop. You could also use something musk-like with this perfume as well. See my perfume collection behind me. I will give y'all an in-depth perfume collection video soon. I don't know if I'm gonna do it for Vlogtober, but I'll just be on the lookout for that, because I honestly wanted to have a bigger collection before I do it, but it's pretty much a big collection already. And this is another one of her products. This is a little cute compact body cream. It's really soft. And to be honest, all of these smell different to me. This one smells better than all of them. And this has a little maze game on there. It's a little ball, like a maze, which is cool. Rihanna's, I don't know. I just love anything Rihanna, honestly. I haven't tried her hair products yet, but I know they're good. I know it smells good. I'm obsessed with Fenty Beauty. I'm obsessed with her lingerie. I'm just obsessed with Rihanna stuff, period. And I could not afford her sunglasses, which I'm pissed off. I wanted them sunglasses that she had for the longest. I'm going to get those. I know for a fact if she still sells them. That might be another video that I do, guys. Trying Fenty hair. But I don't know. Did she have anything for natural? I need to see. Yeah, I'm going to show you some more purchases that I did buy. But these are off Amazon. So I have these rhinestones because I do Halloween makeup. I have a pack full of different colored rhinestones. That's what I've been doing lately. I've been trying to do or add rhinestones to my looks, which make them look a lot better. And this pack came with different colors than the other one that I bought last year. So, look at these. Think about all the makeup I can do. Avatar. What's green? Beetlejuice. So I'm gonna come back out with the makeup looks. And then now I'm gonna try to do a Halloween makeup look every month. Not even just Halloween, but just a cartoon or something, a character. Probably be on my Instagram. I might post them as shorts, but I hate recording makeup videos, I'm not gonna lie. The editing when it comes to that is just crazy. But I'm still, if you guys want to see videos, let me know. And I also picked up a lot of different chunky glitter. If you guys do want to see an in-depth makeup tutorial, let me know, because I know my makeup video don't get as much love as my other videos do on this channel. So let me know. Just y'all comment down below what videos y'all want to see. If y'all want to see different videos, challenges, whatever, y'all don't be in my comment section like y'all used to be. Tomorrow is when I'm going to actually post, well, later on, because it is tomorrow. Later on is when I'm going to post a nice little Halloween video for you guys to really start back Vlogtober, because today was just a real chill day. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to your girl's channel, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.